Alright, hey, what's up guys? Justin here with another quick update, this time on installing our HVAC system. This is the first of 4. So if you come on closer, you can see what we got going, which is basically our system for mounting this up in the trusses. So this is the truss, and what we did is basically added these little kind of blocks or runners along the outside. Then we got these cross pieces going across the top of them. And you're meant to suspend this thing from these using these bolts. So we got these bolts with the, you can see we got the washers and the lock washers. So it kind of suspends down from the ceiling, which will allow us to adjust its height above the finished ceiling material, which will be, it's pretty close right now. We're leaving 5/8 because there's a grill that'll get attached, and that has a bit of a space between the frame of the unit itself. So this is pretty close to its final height. You can see back here we've got the connections for the refrigerant lines. So we got the line sets will attach here and here. This will be the drain line. All that's going to run back through the attic, across that way, and to the unit outside. So I guess that's about it. This is our LG 4-zone mini split system with the ceiling cassettes. Should be pretty comfortable, pretty efficient. We got 1 down now that we know what we're doing. 3 to go. We'll see you next time.